Hello guys, and welcome to Using the Theme Customizer by WA Courses. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the Theme Customizer page and how you can use the Theme Customizer to make different kind of changes depending on the theme you're using on your WordPress website. So, with the introduction out of the way, let's get started with the video. So, I'm currently logged into the backend of my WordPress website and I'm at the themes bar under appearance. Okay, so over here, depending on the theme that you have active, you're gonna get this customize button here. Okay, so if I activate this, I'm gonna get customize button for this theme. So just click on this customize button here, or you can also select customize from here. So either of these takes you to the theme customizer. So I'm just going to click on customize and let's see how that looks. Okay, so this is the theme customizer. It's separated into two parts. Okay, so we have this left hand part for your for different settings that you can change, and this right hand side gives you a preview of your WordPress website. So whatever change you make here, it's going to be reflected here live. Okay, so you can also do things like directly edit stuff from here. So these are widgets. If I click on any of these, it's going to take me to wherever it is in the theme customizer. So the main function of the theme customizer is it allows you to make some granular changes to your WordPress website. Okay, so every theme comes with its own settings. Okay, so the customizer just allows you to access those settings. So there's some tabs here that come with every theme, like the site entity, additional CSS, widgets, and menu. Okay, so these come with every theme that you install. You can always create new menus from here, change your widgets, and add additional CSS as well as site identity. For appearance settings, front page, these are actually dependent on the theme. So if some themes can have blog section, can have homepage section, so it depends on the theme. So I'm using Histia for this tutorial, and these are the settings that Histia come with. So I can do things like change the appearance of the theme from here. I can change the color. So this is the accent color. I can change this to something like blue, and it's going to change over here automatically. I can change the typography. I can change the font family here. I can change background image, button, general settings, just everything that comes with this theme. Okay, so you can make all those kind of changes from the theme customizer. The site identity tab allows you to add a logo. So I can select the logo for my WordPress website. Depending on your theme, it's going to ask you for a transparent header logo. Also, you can change your site title and tagline from here. Okay, so you can change this from here or from your WordPress settings tab, settings page. The tagline is whatever is going to be shown up here on the tab, and the title is also going to be shown here on the tab of your WordPress website. We also have the site icon. So if I select site icon, I can change the icon that is being displayed here. So by default, it's always going to be this WordPress icon, but I can change the icon from here. Okay, so this just allows you to make those simple changes. Additional CSS allows you to add additional CSS to your WordPress website. So if you know how to use CSS and you want to make a change, you can just add in your CSS code over here. Okay, we also have menu, which allows you to manage your menus and assign menus. We'll get into this in another video. We have widgets. Every theme has its own widget spots. So this Histia, it has 3 footer spots and 1 sidebar spot. Okay, so these are also called widget areas. Okay, so they allow you to add widgets like search. So everything you can see here it was added to the sidebar widget area. And then we also have the one for footer. So that's what the theme customizer allows you to do. It just allows you to change the settings for a WordPress theme, and whatever, depending on the theme, you're going to have more options here. So apart from header options, if you're using, for example, if you're using the pro version of this theme, you get extra features like header slider, section reordering, and all that. So it depends on the theme what you're going to be getting at the front end here. So one more thing, once you're done with all the changes here, all you have to do is click on publish. So if you click on publish, this is going to be published to the live to your live website. Okay, so whatever, so if you reload this page, you're going to get all the changes you've made here are going to reflect. Okay, so I'm just going to make a slight change here and show you one other thing. So apart from publish, you can also click on this settings icon here, and you can actually save as draft. Okay, so if you don't want to make this live just yet, you can save it as draft. So once you save it as draft, you can always come back and publish it, or you could share a preview link. So if you save this as draft, you can actually share a preview link with your team. So if you have a team or stakeholders, you want them to see the changes before it's published, just come over here and save as draft, and it's going to give you this link that you can copy. Okay, you can also schedule. So if you want this specific change or customization change to go live at a specific date, you can set that over here. Okay, so these are just some extra stuff you could do, but most cases you're going to find yourself using just the publish. So that's mainly what's here. You can also change the view. So by default we have the desktop view. You can see how this looks, or whatever change you've made looks in tablet mode or in mobile mode. Okay, so it allows you to see how it looks on mobile and looks on tablet, but by default you're always going to get this default desktop view. Okay, so if you click on this, you can hide controls, and if you click on it also again, it's going to give you the default view. So that's basically it for the theme customizer. Depending on the theme you install, it's always going to be different, a bit different, but if you read your theme documentation, you're always going to be able to use everything here. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.